We're at the local mall. I'll bet you they got some dope World Cup gear. I've seen what gear they have since many guys are soccer fans. Oh, they got women's. I didn't see these at the Nike. Of course, I just went to the outlets. But this is pretty dope. Women's jerseys right here. This is a nicer one. $125 for these bad boys. Oh, and it is a Pulisic jersey. That fool's supposed to be hella dope. I didn't see him doing too much in the first game. 25 for the tees. They got Mexico t-shirts right here. Kinds of USA gear. The Mexico gear right here. Lozano jerseys for the women. So women or kids? I think this is for the women. Dodgers and Rams apparel. I think they've ran out a lot of the World Cup jerseys. See what's going on in the sneaker section over here. They do have a lot of the basketball and even casual shoes right here. Looks like a USA colorway. With the book 2s right here, $145 for these. Oh, I don't think I've seen this one. GT Cut 4. Is this a Wemby colorway? Wemby colorway right here, I guess. Oh, okay, there you go. They always have colorways that nobody else has had. Like, I haven't seen this colorway right here. Not seen these Tatum 4s right here. Pretty cool. 130. We've seen these Jaw 3s right here. Of course, they have like cleats. Tons and tons of cleats for every different sport. Plenty of running shoes. This is the Nike running section right here. I don't really see any sales. Everything's going for retail. $160 for the Vomer 18s. I think these match the Mexico jerseys. Kind of cool. $130. And they always have really good selection of stuff. Just no sales or nothing. USA colorway right here. $150. Really good selection, but not too many sales. So let's go. Let's go to the next spot. All right, first stop. One of the more recent releases right here. Pretty freaking dope. $220 for these. I don't know. Should I try to find one at the outlets? Maybe. Those, we're gonna see a plethora of those at the outlets eventually. These are alright, but it's kind of been the same stuff, to be honest, lately. This is definitely a surprise to see these. Did stores get restocks? I'm really surprised to see these Lakers 4s right here. I'm all dropping stuff. Let me throw those back. Got mids go for $75. Sales on all kinds of ones right now. Look at 5s, a nice little discount. Congrats to Knicks fans, all you Knicks fans out there. Pretty dope that you guys were able to get a chip. It's been a minute. It's pretty fire. Knicks fans have always been so freaking loyal, so got mad respect for y'all. All right, let's check these out, and I think we're gonna wrap it up. The Diamond Turfs right here. Starting to see some of these on sale, including the Niner one right here. Slight sales, but nothing crazy. The Air Max the Tempos, the 3s. I think that's it. It's nothing crazy. Got one of these. And they do got jerseys here. Like a kid's jersey? No, kid's jersey. They got a setup up front for the American jerseys, but yeah, someone was working on them, so I didn't want to just go grab a bunch. Not much left because people have bought everything. $70 for the cheapo jersey. This one's a little bit nicer. Yeah, $70. I'd rather get that one than this one. They got Argentina right here, and the USA ones right here. This one's dope. I like this one. They were wearing that in game 1. $100 and $100. Air Max 90s. The young kids just aren't liking the Air Maxes, so we are seeing the Air Maxes on sale. 90s right here. USA colorway. This one's actually pretty freaking dope. I think they're going for $140 for these. That Adidas outlet visit was freaking crazy. How crowded it was. I wish I could have made it short for you guys, but I was in such a hurry. My bad, you guys. It's a Mexico colorway right here. Kind of, sort of. Like the gray doesn't really work, but the green and red. I've not been impressed with the sale stuff. I think a lot of people are out shopping anyway, so they don't really need all those crazy sales for this weekend. A lot of the stuff that have been here kind of been sitting here for a while, but I don't see any price drops on anything crazy. I don't see any price drops. This one's pretty cool right here. Pretty cool, but nothing crazy. I-74s, like I feel like this should be the regular price. Like early COVID, I think this was the original price. I bought a pair for retail for $80, I think. They do have a sale on some things. I don't think they know where to put it, but whatever, 50% off. And look at this, they got Jamaica jerseys. Did Jamaica even make the World Cup? I don't know, did they make the World Cup? But they do have jerseys on sale. Marley jerseys, that's freaking hilarious. That is hilarious. Bob Marley collection, 130. They got them in a few sizes. I don't see too much else that's pretty dope. Oh, Nike, 50% off. I feel like that's like a normal thing though. The outlets, we always see them for hella cheap, but the Jamaica jersey is pretty dope. Are these all jerseys and stuff too? I don't know. The material is like really thick. Really thick, but yeah. Oh, Manchester United, 50 off. Oh, okay. Liverpool right there. Madrid, Italy. All 50 off. That's not bad. That's not bad, you guys. Dude, I've never even seen these in there on sale. Jordan 4. Is this the one that just came out? The recently, the 4s that just released. Oh no, this is the Toro Bravo. This is the Toro Bravo ones coming out on sale already. Holy crap, 70 to 50. That's crazy. We saw this on sale. I don't know, I just saw that on sale somewhere. But yeah, at the salesman one. That just came out and that one's on sale faster than that. Hold on, I'm so confused. We got our Chic right here. And they sold out of all the Mexico, US, and Brazil jerseys. They got jackets, but it's like hot as hell outside, so ain't nobody buying jackets. You can come watch the World Cup games right here. Pretty dope that they have that right there. Damn, that game's definitely going under. One of my boys told me he bet the under on that one. I was like, dang, that's smart. Got the Jordan section right here. And we got these 3s on sale almost everywhere. Easters, these are gonna go on sale everywhere too. I bet the outlets are gonna start getting a bunch of those. I forgot who, someone told me like if some of the stores can't sell them, they'll just send them back to Nike and then they'll end up at the outlets and the clearance stores and stuff like that. Still got these. I'm not talking about Jordans in general, I'm just talking about just merch, like Nike merch, Adidas merch, that type of stuff. But yeah, these still chilling. With the Toros and everything else. Just like the other spots, plenty of mids, lows on sale. And first time we've seen multiple Kobe's on sale. That's pretty freaking crazy. Sneaker game definitely has changed quite a bit. And it's a good thing because we're seeing a lot of stuff on sale. For me, that's a great thing. Hell yeah. If you guys are watching my channel, pretty sure you guys agree with me. Ooh, $65. 65 bucks. Outlet like prices. Holy crap, that's probably the cheapest we've seen those. Holy crap. And look at the Vomeros. These are the Vomero 18s. 120. This will match with everything. Hell yeah. Every colorway of the Rejuvenate's on sale. And the Dunks. Wasn't this one of the Dodgers Dunks? There's a collab with that one chick. I forgot the artist. Yeah, 80 bucks. That's crazy. That's 50 bucks, man. That's crazy. They do have jerseys for women. Oh, but that ain't even a team one. That's just a Nike one. They still got these on sale. That's cheaper than the outlets because outlets had them for what, 115 minus 25 or 30 off, minus 30 off. I think that still might be cheaper. I was gonna say cool USA colorway, but no, it's a WNBA colorway, 100 bucks. Dunk prices are just crazy right now. This is the women's. Kids dunks even cheaper. $40 freaking for this one right here. Pretty crazy, but they got a bunch of them for like 40, 45 bucks. And then all the Rejuvenates on sale down to close to 35. Some of them are 40. Got one of these. I don't know, not really seeing much here. Not even worth anything. Not even worth showing you guys anything, to be honest. Showed you guys these. This is the cheapest place to grab those. But nothing really much to show you guys. Alright, I was gonna say the last store, but we probably should stop at Pro Image too, huh? Checking to see if any of the prices went down. These have been on sale for a cool minute. 180, 130 for these. Jordan 1 Elements. These are pretty freaking interesting. 160 for hiking shoes, Jordan 1s. Not too many things on sale, but this Realtree Air Force, pretty interesting. Gum midsole, black outsole, kind of interesting. 125. Got flames on it. Oh, they're finally out with these patent leather ones right here. I think these are really good for like suits and stuff, right? Or tux. You can wear this with the tux. 125. I really want a pair of these. I really have to get dressed up somewhere. I've been wearing Jordans and stuff, but I think those are more interesting. 130. Starting to see some of these interesting material. Dunks also go on sale. $80 for this one. This one's pretty cool. And then got the Kobe Air Force right here, 120. This one's really interesting. The texture, way different. 125, kind of like faux alligator skin. And all this stuff we've been seeing on sale. 110. 110. Oh, that wasn't on sale before. 110. So what they're talking about? 150. Kobe's 130. These not on sale yet. I'm waiting for those to go on sale. The 2K4s. The Huarache 2K4s. And I don't think I showed the price on these. 120 for those. I do keep forgetting to show what I'm wearing. Holy cow. That was not there before. Oh my goodness. But yeah, Jordan 2. These are the Mellow 2s. So the Carmelo Anthony Jordan 2 PEs from way back when. They finally released them to the general public. I don't know, it's 2018 or something? I don't know. I'm wearing a tank top in black because it's been hot. It's been hot, so I did throw on a tank top. See what's going on over here since everybody's been gobbling up all the sports or the World Cup apparel. They got Mexico ones, like they don't have any US ones? What the hell? I don't see any World Cup gear. That's surprising. I know throughout the year it doesn't really sell like that, but you would think like right now they would try to get as many sales as possible. Right now they do have a Debo jersey. We've been seeing these crazy cheap. Apparently not here. Oh, it is 75 off. 75 off. I forgot. This is the 75% off rack. It says up to, but almost everything I've seen is 70 off, but it's all players like that are no longer with the team. All kinds of Parsons jerseys and stuff. You can't find stuff like this once in a while. Pretty cool. 75% off for a Rams jacket. The Bronx Bombers t-shirts, 75 off. Mahomes. Mostly jerseys of players that have been traded, but they do have stuff like this, so definitely worth checking out, you guys. Definitely worth checking out. The Niners one's triple XL. The Samuel jersey, triple XL right there, and then they have one more right here. This one is a XL, double XL. Dang it! So no Niners gear my size. I think we're done. Oh wait, what's this? Debo. Okay, that's an XL.